Hello friends, welcome to this lecture of learning Puppet. So in this video lecture we're going to learn about Puppet configuration management server and how to use it, how to install it, how to configure it. And in this lecture we're going to install the Puppet Enterprise. Then we'll also have a compile master and also a demo server where we want to configure our configurations from Puppet Enterprise Master. So here, I believe you know about Puppet. As you know, Puppet is a configuration management solution from Puppet Labs, and where we can automate almost anything today. We can automate the configurations, and we will have a predetermined configuration for any number of servers using the Puppet Master. So here, going forward, I am going to first create my Puppet environment using some VMs on my VMware workstation. So here I have created a DevOps tools folder, and here I have the Puppet. I have already created a Jenkins tutorial, video tutorial, and now I'm going to create the Puppet. So here I have Puppet, and I have a base image already, CentOS 7 base image, and I'm going to utilize the same image for creating my VMs and just go forward and clone it. So I'm going to clone and set the current state full clone, and here I have already created some of my folders in the E drive. Here the tools infrastructure, and here if you see the Puppet compile master, Puppet demo module, and Puppet enterprise server. So here Puppet enterprise server, okay, and I'll give the same name, Puppet enterprise server, as my machine VM name. So this is going to be cloned to a VM. Then I'll clone another VM as the compile master. Why I'm creating a compile master? It's just to show how a distributed Puppet environment is built. It is not required, but if in a production environment where there are more number of VMs to be configured, like more than 2000 application VMs to be configured, then we'll have normally multiple compile masters. That I'll just try to show, but here for our demo we may not need, but just I'll for the demo purpose I am going to show that configuration as well. So I'm cloning another full clone, and go and save it in the compile master, the infra tool and the compile master. Okay, so I'm going to name it again as the compile master. So finish. So this will be my compile master, and also I'll have another demo server as well. So demo server means where I'll put my configurations, I'll push my configurations, or I can pull my configurations from this server, from the Puppet Enterprise server. So I'm going to show that as the demo server, where I'll test my configurations or my Puppet script. Okay, so that's what I'm going to create, the Puppet demo node, so where I'll test all my codes. Well, all my servers are getting ready. So here I have my enterprise server. Let me take to one folder, compile master, and the demo node. So here my 3 VMs are now ready. And now, after my VMs are ready, I have to configure those. First of all, I'm going to uh, check if my configurations are 4 gig RAM, two processors, and all are same configurations. So just power on this VM, and just I'm going to change the IP address of all the VMs, because obviously they will have the initially, because they are just cloned, so they will have, I have configured initially a static IP, so everybody will have a static IP configured. So this is raw. So I have configured to 0.20.192. So first thing is I'm going to change the IP for each machines. So that is I have wrote a vi etc sysconfig network net. So let me change the IP address. I'll change this to maybe 31, and change the host name itself. Host name control, set host name to, I'll call it Puppet Enterprise Server. Okay, just reboot, and so here vi this I'm going to have 32, and host name set host name as the compile master. Okay, there is a error was coming, so it was for my previous configuration. Just let me fix it. So because of there is some set I did. Okay, so this is the Puppet demo node. I'll call it 33. Then host name. Set host name, this is Puppet Puppet demo node. Okay, so this is done, and let me also fix the error. Let's see, profile. This is not necessary. This was a fix, just setting up the environment variable, which is not required for this demo anyway. Just reboot and see, it is done. And this is also, I need to just set up my profile. This is, I did just set up for my some demo in Jenkins, which I used. Okay, so this is done now. Yes, so this is all the servers are now ready. All the servers are now ready, and now I'm ready for installation of Puppet Enterprise. Now in my next video, I'm going to install the Puppet. Thank you. Thanks very much for watching.